Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Sab. I hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. Today I have some great news to share with you. I am currently expecting. I am in my second trimester. I am so thrilled. My family and friends are so thrilled. We are all so excited, and I want to share this news with you as well. I'm having a gender reveal party and I wanted to DIY some cookies and put some decorations on it myself with the pink and blue. It's going to be really fun. I love to get creative in the kitchen, so while you're at it, please like this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a video. What I did is I went to the store and picked out assorted cookies, different cookies that I liked that I can decorate easily. If you have the time, you can bake your own cookies, but between party planning and decorating, I do not have the time, so I just got some pink and blue chocolate melts, and I'm gonna go ahead and use that to decorate the cookies. It saves so much time and it tastes delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and melt each of my chocolate melts in the microwave for 30 seconds each time, and each 30 seconds you want to go ahead and stir it until it is completely melted. You can also add some coconut oil or butter or some oil to give it a glossy shine. After about 2 minutes, both of my candy melts have melted and this is the outcome. Now we are going to get dipping. While you're at it, please like this video.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
Thank you so much for watching me make these DIY gender reveal cookies. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get some new ideas. I love doing DIYs. This is such a fun way to get creative. You can get creative and do whatever you like. You can do this with different colors. You can even do this with family and friends. You can do this with birthday parties, gender reveals, parties in general, or any special occasion. This is just such a fun DIY. Get creative. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell so you never miss a video. Thank you once again so much for watching. Bye!